Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to use the word could to sound more polite and formal in office English. Many people use can, but when you use could, your sentence sounds softer, more respectful, and more professional, perfect for emails, meetings, or office conversations. Let's understand the difference first. Can is direct and friendly. Could is polite and formal. For example, can you send me the report? Casual, could you please send me the report? Polite and formal, you see the difference. Could makes your request sound more professional and respectful. Now let's look at some office examples using could. Polite requests. 1. Could you please share the updated report by tomorrow? 2. Could you let me know your availability for a meeting? 3. Could you help me with this issue when you have a moment? Offering help. 4. Could I assist you with preparing the presentation? 5. Could I help you coordinate with the finance team? Making suggestions. 6. Could we consider extending the deadline to ensure quality? 7. Could we try a different approach to solve this problem? Asking permission. 8. Could I take a short leave tomorrow? 9. Could I use the conference room for the meeting? Clarifying information. 10. Could you please confirm if the figures are final? 11. Could you explain this point in more detail? Here are examples of polite and formal office sentences using could, perfect for professional emails, meetings, or requests. Polite requests. 1. Could you please share the updated report by tomorrow? 2. Could you help me with this issue when you have a moment? 3. Could we schedule a meeting to discuss this further? 4. Could you let me know your availability for a quick call? 5. Could you please review this document before I send it to the client? Offering help. 6. Could I assist you with preparing the presentation? 7. Could I check if you need any additional support for this task? 8. Could I help you coordinate with the finance team? Making suggestions. 9. Could we consider extending the deadline to ensure quality? 10. Could it be possible to review the policy once more before finalizing? 11. Could we try a different approach to handle this issue? Seeking permission. 12. Could I take half a day's leave tomorrow? 13. Could I use the conference room for a client meeting? 14. Could I get your approval before proceeding with this? Clarifying or confirming. 15. Could you confirm if the figures in this report are final? 16. Could you please explain this part in more detail? 17. Could you let me know who will be attending the meeting? So, whenever you speak or write in the office, use could instead of can to make your tone polite and formal. For example, instead of saying, "Can you send it now?" say, "Could you please send it now?" This small change makes a big difference in how professional you sound. I hope you found this video helpful. Try using could in your office conversations and emails to sound more confident and respectful. If you like this lesson, please subscribe, like, share, and comment below. See you in the next video for more English learning tips.